Ever wondered what it would be like if we could design our children's traits, like height, eye color, or even intelligence? Imagine a world where we could edit genes as easily as we edit a document. This is not science fiction. It's the revolutionary potential of gene editing. However, it's not all about aesthetics and abilities. There's a whole new ethical and moral landscape we must navigate. As we unravel the mysteries of our genetic makeup, we step into a new era of possibilities. The journey of gene editing didn't start yesterday. It has been decades in the making. The genesis of gene editing can be traced back to the mid-20th century with the groundbreaking discovery of DNA's double helix structure. This was the stepping stone to understanding the blueprint of life, our genes. Fast forward a few decades, and we arrive at the Human Genome Project. This ambitious endeavor, completed in the early 21st century, successfully mapped the human genome, providing an unprecedented insight into our genetic makeup. But the real game changer came in the form of a peculiar bacterial defense mechanism, CRISPR-Cas9. This clever system, discovered in the first decade of the 21st century, allowed us to edit genes with a precision and ease previously unimaginable. This revolutionary technology, CRISPR-Cas9, has opened up a world of possibilities and controversies. So, what is this CRISPR-Cas9 that's causing a stir in the scientific community? Well, let's dive right in. CRISPR-Cas9 is a revolutionary gene editing tool, like a pair of molecular scissors, able to cut and paste DNA sequences with precision. It's like having a word processor for our genetic code, enabling us to find, delete, and replace parts of DNA. The potential applications, they're mind-boggling. From eradicating genetic diseases to enhancing crop yields, and even resurrecting extinct species, the possibilities seem endless. Groundbreaking studies have already been conducted using CRISPR. For instance, scientists have successfully edited the genes of human embryos to remove disease-causing mutations. This could mean a future where we're not just treating diseases, but preventing them at their genetic roots. While the potential benefits of CRISPR are enormous, the ethical concerns are equally significant. We're stepping into uncharted territory, and navigating this new frontier will require careful thought and consideration. Imagine a world where we could eliminate genetic diseases, but what are the moral implications? As wondrous as it seems, the ability to correct faulty genes also opens up a Pandora's box of ethical questions. One of the most contentious being the potential for so-called designer babies. If we can remove harmful genes, what stops us from adding desirable ones? Blonde hair? Tall stature? High IQ? The line between curing disease and enhancing human capabilities is a blurry one. The prospect of a society where parents can customarily design their offspring is not just a question of fairness, but one that could fundamentally alter human nature. Then there's the concern of unintended consequences. What if our meddling with nature has unforeseen repercussions, creating new diseases or disrupting the delicate balance of our ecosystem? Gene editing is not an exact science, and every change we make could have ripple effects through generations. Finally, there's the thorny issue of consent. A baby cannot consent to having its genes edited. So who gets to decide? The parents? The doctors? The government? In this brave new world of gene editing, we are not just scientists, but potential architects of evolution. As we grapple with these ethical conundrums, we must tread carefully. Our decisions will shape not just our future, but that of all humanity. As we stand on the brink of a genetic revolution, we must ponder whether we are ready to play God. So, where does this leave us in the grand scheme of things? We've traversed through a journey from the genesis of gene editing, witnessing its development and understanding its game-changing potential. We've seen how this scientific revolution could rewrite the future, offering unprecedented opportunities to eradicate genetic diseases and improve human health. But as with any great power, it comes with substantial responsibility. We've delved into the ethical quagmire that this technology presents, grappling with questions of morality, fairness, and the sanctity of nature. These are not simple questions, and they require careful consideration and robust dialogue. The story of gene editing is far from over. It's a narrative constantly being rewritten, a testament to our ceaseless quest for knowledge and advancement. The potential is immense, the challenge is daunting, but the rewards could be monumental. As we continue to explore the frontiers of our genetic code, we must ensure that we are guided not just by what we can do, but also by what we should do. Before we wrap up, we'd like to hear from you. What are your thoughts on this topic? Are you excited about the possibilities that gene editing brings, or do you share concerns about its ethical implications? The conversation doesn't stop here. Let's continue discussing in the comment section below. We are eager to hear your views and engage in a fruitful dialogue about the future of gene editing. Remember, your voice matters in shaping the narrative and the future of this incredible scientific frontier. Moreover, if you found our content enlightening and want to stay updated with the latest breakthroughs across various scientific spheres, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support fuels our motivation to delve into more such intriguing topics. Stay tuned for more exciting content, and until then, keep questioning, keep exploring, and keep learning. That's the true spirit of science, after all.